My sister had a problem, and I've been waiting to be listening to bring this problem up. She got a letter from her landlord that she was with in 2017 saying that she owed him money for an electric bill, and part of the time she didn't even live there. And I'm like, 5 years, surely he can't be sending it. It just struck me as strange that 5 years later he's sending her an electric bill.
That's weird. Now, legally, somebody in the landlord situation has 6 years to pursue an ex-tenant for bills that are unpaid.
Okay.
So I'm assuming, though, that the landlord has actually paid the bill, because normally it would be the electricity company, the energy company that pursues your sister.
Well, this is what I said to her. I said, it's usually Scottish Power or whatever will chase you up. And this is the first she's heard of it in 5 years. And he's trying to bill her for, and like I say, she was only 2 weeks at the time he's billing her.
Well, that's
was she
just
actually there?
Bizarre. I mean, you say, was her tenancy operative in that time, even if she wasn't living there?
No, she
her lease
wasn't.
had finished.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'd tell the landlord to... have you explained that to the landlord?
Yeah, she's tried to explain it, and he's threatening to take her to court. And
well, first of all, does she accept she is liable for 2 weeks' worth of that? Is there 2 weeks she didn't pay?
No, she has said, if I'm liable for the 2 weeks, I'll pay the 2 weeks.
Fine.
But he
so
said,
why doesn't
you have to pay the full time.
And what reason has he given for that?
I only know a snippet. I wanted her to phone in herself, but she doesn't, so he hasn't given her a reason for this.
Fine.
Full term.
So
but she has said, I'm happy to pay for the time I was there if you break it down into weekly pays.
Has he sent a copy of the bill?
No.
Right. So I'd ignore it, or rather I'd write back and I'd say, and do this in writing or email, happy to pay for the 2 weeks if it's outstanding. Send me the bill so I can check it, and then I will send you a backs transfer for the correct proportion. I'm not paying any more, and if you don't agree with me, we're going to have to let a district judge decide, a small claims judge decide, and you can sue me. But I warn you now that if you do sue me, I think this amounts to unreasonable conduct, because you've not sent me the documentation, you've not given me an explanation as to why I should owe money from a period when I wasn't in the flat, and as a result I'll be seeking costs against you if you choose to sue. Hopefully that will get rid of it.
Would that, if say it goes to a district judge, is that a county court judgment?
It is. It's a small claims court. It will be a county court judgment, but as long as it's paid within 28 days, there won't be any credit issues if the judgment goes against her.
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, that's lovely news. Thank you very much.
Okay.